Dear students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that let L be the set of all the lines in xy plane and R be the relation in L defines as R is equals to L1, L2 such that L1 is parallel to L2. Show that R is an equivalent relation and find the set of all the lines related to the line y is equals to 2 of x plus 4. So basically, we are given the relation here, which is L1, L2 such that L1 is parallel to such that L1 is parallel to L2. We have to check whether the relation is equivalent relation or not. So firstly, we are checking whether the relation is reflexive or not. So in order to check whether the relation is reflexive or not, we are having the condition. If L1, L1 belongs to R, then we can say that the relation is reflexive. So here we are considering L1 is a line, and we know that every line is parallel to itself. So we can say that if L1 is a line and the relation is that L1 is parallel to the line L1, and we know that every line is parallel to itself, so we can say that L1, L2 belongs to R. If it is belonging to R, so we can say that this is a reflexive relation. So relation is now we are checking the symmetry of the relation, whether the relation is symmetric or not. The condition for the symmetric is that if L1, L2 belongs to R, then we can say that L2, L1 must belongs to R. So here the relation is over the parallel of the line if two lines are parallel. So the condition that if L1 is parallel to L2, let's say here we are having two lines. This is the line L1, this is the line L2. So from here it is clearly visible that if L1 is parallel to L2, then we can say that L2 must be parallel to L1. So it is satisfying the condition of symmetry, that is L1, L2 belongs to R and L2, L1 belongs to R. So we can say that this is a symmetric relation. Now we are going to check the transitivity of the relation, whether the relation is transitive or not. So the condition for the transitivity is that if L1, L2 belongs to R, L2, L3 belongs to R, then we can say that L1, L3 belongs to R. So if line, let's say we are having this three line. This is the line L1, this is the line L2, this is the line L3. Like look here, line L1 is parallel to L2, L1 is parallel to L2, and the line L2 is parallel to L3, L2 is parallel to L3. It is clearly visible from here. If a line is parallel to second line and the second line is parallel to third line, which means that first line must be parallel to the third line. So this implies that L1 is parallel to L3. So from here we can say that L1, L2 belongs to R, L2, L3 belongs to R, and L1, L3 belongs to R. So we can say that this is a transitive relation. This is a transitive relation, and all the conditions, that is reflexivity, symmetry and transitivity, are satisfied. So we can say that this is a equivalence relation. So this is a equivalence relation. Now we have to find the set of all the lines which are related to the line, that is y is equals to 2 of x plus 4. So here we are having the relation, that is L1, L2 such that L1 is parallel to L2. So set of all the lines related to y is equals to 2x plus 4 is the set of all the lines that are parallel to y is equals to 2x plus 4. So let the equation of the line which are parallel to the line y of 2 of x plus 4 is y is equals to m of x plus c, where m is representing is slope. So here this both lines are parallel, so we are going to compare. So we can say that the slope of y is equals to 2 of x plus 4 must be equals to the slope of y is equals to m of x, y is equals to m of x plus c, and now the slope of line y is equals to 2 of x plus 4 is 2. So comparing this, we get the value of m is equals to 2. So we are having the value of m is equals to 2. Now the equation is y is equals to m of x plus c. So we can say that the equation of all the lines which are related to y is equals to 2 of x plus 4 is y is equals to 2 of x plus c. So this is the answer where c belongs to R. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of relations and functions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.